Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today we're going to be talking about Ayurveda. If you don't know what Ayurveda is an ancient Indian method of healing. You can incorporate this into your lifestyle from your diet, your hair care, your skin care, your day-to-day life. There are so many different ways to incorporate Ayurveda into your lifestyle, and I want to try it out through my hair. Now on my channel, I've never spoken about Ayurveda before, but it has been a constant thought for like the past couple of months. I've been looking into it, researching it and things like that, and I came up with the idea to try different Ayurvedic herbs and to try them for the first time on my channel so that you guys can see my true and honest opinion of them, and so I can show you guys like how I make DIY masks with them, how I create the mask, how I apply the mask, and to show you guys the results of each mask with each Ayurvedic herb. And to do that, I'm collaborating with a brand named Henna, and Henna makes me smile just to even talk about. They're such an amazing and natural, authentic brand. You guys know how I feel about natural skincare and natural hair care, and this brand provides that. Henna has natural and authentic cleansing conditioners, shampoos, oils, Ayurvedic herbs, and all for an affordable price. You guys, there is something to be said about how a natural lifestyle tends to cost an arm and a leg. Like, it's so hard to find natural and or organic products and food and clothes that don't cost a pretty penny. Henna provides natural and organic and authentic shampoos, cleansing conditioners, Ayurvedic herbs, oils, face masks, and so much more. That's all incredibly affordable. On top of it being affordable, it comes with a nice amount of product. You can definitely use almost all of their things more than once, so you're not wasting your money, you're not spending that much money, and it's natural and it's organic, which is almost unheard of. On top of it being natural and organic and affordable and coming with plenty of product, they still gave me a discount code. So no matter what, you're not going to be spending that much to live a natural lifestyle and use natural things on your hair, which I am so here for. So with all of that being said, my discount code will be below. This is like the first episode of my series on my channel. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing organic hibiscus powder. That is our first Ayurvedic herb for today. I'm going to show you guys how I created this mask, and then we're going to get into the application. So for today's Ayurvedic herb, we are going to be using organic hibiscus powder, and of course it's from Henna. This retails for $7 and the link will be in the description box below. I chose organic hibiscus powder because this promotes hair growth, it's rich in vitamin C and amino acids, prevents premature graying, prevents breakage, treats itchy scalp, cleanses the hair, and it adds plenty of shine. Next, I'm going to add some organic yogurt. Yogurt helps to soothe the scalp and condition the hair. I'm also going to add a couple tablespoons of organic honey because honey is a humectant, so it pulls moisture out of the air and places it into your hair, and it also conditions your hair and prevents breakage. Next, I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar to balance the pH of my scalp and to lift buildup. And lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to add moisture and shine to my scalp and my hair. And here you will see me mixing these specific ingredients. After I finished mixing these, it created a really thick consistency, so I added hot water to create a creamy consistency for the application. This is my organic hibiscus powder mask that I put together. It's super creamy and thick, and it's super nice, and I cannot wait to use it. It smells super earthy. It smells really good though. Now I'm gonna be doing this mask on dirty hair. My hair is not like legitimately dirty, I just need to wash it. But I wanted to do this on hair that hasn't been washed just yet because I wanted to use the apple cider vinegar in this mask to help cleanse my hair. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just gonna take my hair out of this ponytail and bun, and I'm gonna split my hair into 2 sections. I also wanted to do this mask on dirty hair because I wanted my hair to not be soaking wet. I wanted it to just be like a little bit damp. So I felt like it made a bit more sense to start off on dry hair so that I could just kind of spritz it as I go so that my hair can absorb the mask but still like be dirty. So if I did it on dirty hair, I can use the ACV to cleanse my hair. And then if I do it on hair that's not soaking wet and just a little bit damp, it won't be as messy. So yeah, so what you'll see me do is spray my hair with this water bottle and then apply the mask from roots to ends. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all throughout my hair. Now with this mask, I'm not going to make the attempt to detangle it because I read online that the co-wash that I'm going to use from Henna today works really well to detangle the hair. So I'm not going to try right now. I'm just going to apply this mask and then we'll detangle later in the shower. You guys, this color is gorgeous. People use this organic powder in their henna masks in order to get like a reddish tone, and I could see why. I could totally see why. This color is so pretty. So now I'm just gonna use this excess and kind of put it towards the front where I feel like I might have missed some areas, or some areas just might need a bit more of the mask. I just really don't want to waste this mask. Make sure that I get the nape of my neck. This is what my hair is looking like. It is super, super defined. And it's actually a really moisturizing mask. I wouldn't try to detangle with this just because of the texture of it. I'm not sure if I could have added something more to make it have a bit more slip. But that's totally fine with me because I have intentions on detangling later anyways. So I'm going to just apply a little bit more just because I have a little bit more of the mask left. And then I'm going to pin my hair up, and it says to leave the mask in for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna probably let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out in the shower. All right, I'll catch you guys in the shower. This is what my hair looks like after the mask has sat on my hair for about 20 minutes. This was a little messy to rinse out, but I expected that because that's how most clay masks are. This turned out so well. My hair was so soft. My hair has never felt like this ever before, like in life. My hair felt so good and it was so defined. It was kind of weird to see. I co-washed with the Henna Cleansing Conditioning Co-Wash. This was infused with rosemary, tangerine, sage, and some other goodies. Look at the definition in my hair. Now, the reviews did not lie, you guys. I was able to detangle my hair so well. I was like genuinely surprised with the amount of slip that this co-wash had, because most co-washes don't really have that much slip, but I was able to detangle my hair. Like, each section was in like 3 minutes, which is unheard of because my hair is thick. It gets matted quick. It's kind of like extra and like hard to deal with. This cleansing conditioner was great. Like, I was actually surprised. My hair felt clean, but it felt moisturized, and it was very, very detangled. So I am super pleased with this. This will also be in the description box below. 10 out of 10 recommend. And I don't co-wash, you guys. I have not used a co-wash in 5 years, but something told me to try this, and look at that. Look at the moisture and the slip and the no tangles. Like, I'm so here for it. So you just see me do that section, and now I'm going to move on to the other sections. Here you'll see soon what my hair looks like coated in the co-wash, and then you will see the results. My hair turned out so well. It was so clean, so soft, so shiny. I'm so grateful for henna and these Ayurvedic herbs. This is the first of many that I will use. The shine, you guys. Like, my hair felt so healthy and so good. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next Ayurvedic herb episode. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.